So what we're going to do is we're going to go about showing you how to fix this PlayStation 3. As you can see, it's got the dreaded yellow light of death. If I go ahead and push the power, there you can see it starts to flash. Definitely it's yellowed. What we're going to do is we're going to fix this the fun and hopefully exciting way. Let's kind of go upstairs now. Alright, so in order to get to the problem, we've got to open the case. And generally speaking, we need a torque wrench or, you know, some other things. There's about 3 or 4 different wrenches that you're going to have to get. There's probably about 50 or 60 screws in here. But to get to the problem, we're going to do something a little different. Something a little bit like this. So we're going to try that one more time. Dang. We're starting to get to it, but you know, this is going to take a little bit more than what we expected. So we're going to try it one more time like this. If this doesn't work, we're going to get another tool. Well, our first attempt to open it didn't work as well as we thought. We got another tool here. Let's see what this does. Wow, maybe I should have bought the torque. Let's try it this way. I'm starting to see what we got going here. This right here is your Blu-ray. Yeah, I about got that Blu-ray player out. That's a little hard sometimes to get it out. Oh, there we go. Most of it's out. You gotta get down to the motherboard though, because that's really where the problem lies. About got it. We might have to go with the other tool. Well, we didn't get into it. We're still trying to get into it. So I've got another idea, and you know, we're just going to use these Christmas lights. We thought it was pretty apropos since I got this dang thing for Christmas. So, boy, come on over here. Take this and run around with it as fast as you can. Give me that thing. That didn't work. Boy, too, come here. You try. Well, obviously that didn't work, so I think what we need here is more horsepower. I guess we need a bigger tool. Oh, we still haven't got to the motherboard yet. Jiminy Christmas, what's this gonna take to get to the motherboard? Oh, wait a minute. Maybe this will work. Oh, yeah! Now, we're trying to get to the motherboard right here, this screen that comes along on the back side. Once we get that off, we're good. You know, one thing I probably should mention as we're doing this is you want to keep track of all of these parts that are coming off. You're going to have to utilize them to put it back together.
Oh!
We are making good progress.
Yeah, right there.
But we're making really good progress here on the back side, but I'm going to need to get the front side too. What we need to do is we probably need to get this Bluetooth piece off. I think this is the Bluetooth. I'm pretty sure that this is the Blu-ray antenna. We don't need that. Like I said before, you know, you really want to make sure that you get the parts. Right here's the power supply. I think we're going to try to take that off now. As you can see, this is the part that comes unsoldered. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. One last screw. Well, we finally got down to the motherboard. And as you can see here, we've got the CPU. And it's got this paste behind it. And you can see it's really, really dry. It's also got some sort of foreign particle there too. But what happens is you're going to have to apply Arctic Silver to this, because this dries out. Alright, so we need to apply heat. You've seen many videos out there that say you have to buy an expensive heat gun. Don't need it. All we need is just little ingenuity. I hit it! A little bit more! That's doing nicely there. Well, as you can see, we're about done. You need to keep all the parts, and I've done that. Make sure you got everything. You're going to need it. This is the most important part. $250. Alright, well, we've got everything all hooked up in, ready to go. Let's go ahead and turn the power light on and see if we got something. It's looking good. Looking real good. Well, there you have it. That completes our tutorial on how to fix the yellow light of death. Hope you enjoyed it.
Yeah! Good boy! Oh, that was sad.